So, in this video, I won't be going into the technical details of the speakers. Instead, I'll be doing a full unboxing showing you how the Edifier S3000MKII looks in person and what accessory comes in the box. So, sit back and enjoy. Remote control, USB-A to USB-B cable, RCA audio cable, 2 power cables, AAA batteries, speaker cover, fiber optic audio cable, guidebook. Now, let's take a closer look at the design of the speakers, how I have set them up, and all the ports you get on the speakers. Let's talk about connectivity. On the back, you got a balanced XLR input, RCA analog line in, which I'm using right now, USB-B audio, opticals input, coaxial digital input, and Bluetooth 5.0 connection. So there are plenty of ways to connect this to your setup. Over on the left speakers, you will need to connect a separate power supply as well. So this is how my setup looks like. And now let's test some speakers.
Warning. This is a total blackout. Please stand by. We are currently testing our systems. Testing lighting equipment. Testing LED screen. Testing blinder. Testing lasers. Testing 3D video. Testing pyrotechnics. Stand by. Okay. Warning. We are about to do a full frequency sweep. 20 Hertz. 50 Hertz. 200 Hertz. 440 Hertz. 1 kilohertz, 2 kilohertz, 5 kilohertz, 10 kilohertz. Okay. Testing subwoofer. Kick test. Schedule कर. Okay. Balance check. Left channel. The sound should now be at the left speaker. Okay. Right channel. The sound should now be at the right speaker. Okay. Sound check complete.
That's what I'm talking about. Fantastic. Okay, rack 'em up. Rack 'em up, rack 'em up, rack 'em up. That's not good. Okay, that's not good. Now there's the Batman. Oh, you wanna play? Come on. He missed! You can't stop me. We're like sitting ducks. Could you please just give me a minute? We got you, you son of a bitch.
I've been using Edifier S3000MKII for more than 3 months now, and I want to share my honest opinion. Overall, this is a great speaker for its price, and I managed to get it at a really good sales value as well. In my case, I initially used it as a PC speakers, and honestly, I felt a bit overpowered. Because of the short listening distance, I couldn't fully utilize its performance. However, after moving it to my TV setup, the speakers perform much better. With a longer listening distance and higher volume, I could hear more details, better separations, and a fuller sound compared to using it on a desk. In terms of sound qualities, the S3000MKII delivered great treble, clear mids, and solid bass for this price range. That said, for my personal taste, I still feel the bass could be stronger, so I recommend pairing it with a subwoofer if you want a deeper lower end impact. Overall, I really enjoy using these speakers. I don't regret buying it, and if I had a chance, I would definitely buy it again.